Hi guys, I know you probably feel like I have abandoned you all and abandoned my channel, and I sincerely apologize, but big things have happened with my businesses. I launched Naturally Divine products. I also have Divine Consulting, and I'm also working on opening a transitional shelter in my area. So that's what's been keeping me so occupied. Like, Naturally Divine has been keeping me occupied in and of itself alone. Like, with local orders and online orders, I ship domestically and internationally. My business has really flourished within this last year. So if you do not follow me on Facebook, please type in Naturally Divine Products and click the like and follow button so that you can know everything that's going on with me. So follow me there, because I'm not going to be able to keep up with Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and like the orders and things. I can't. It's too much. So please follow me on Facebook at Naturally Divine Products. So I hope all of my subscribers are actually plugged in there already, because I actually just increased the prices on my oil. I have a whole line. I have not even come back on YouTube to update you guys about the things that I've added to my shop, but my products are going mainstream very soon. I anticipate by the end of the year I will be mainstream. But as it stands right now, with just orders and local orders, like, things are just booming, and I am just so extremely blessed. And like I said, I hope you guys who've been following me on here and actually followed my journey thus far actually have tried, or at least will try my product, because I'm telling you, it's amazing and it's transforming lives out here. I just released an elixir in June that regrows thinning and balding, and people are getting results from that in 2 weeks. Like, their hair is growing back in 2 weeks. It's starting to grow back. So you guys, please check out my Facebook business page. That's where you can catch up with everything that's going on, and you can see the testimonials and things that I've posted and that actual real customers have posted. And if you're still skeptical after that, like you've watched me grow this long, if you go to the page and you see these women who've been struggling with alopecia and balding for 20-30 years have their hair grow back from my product fast, and I mean, these ladies are getting quick results. If you still don't believe after that, then there's just nothing I can do. And but I hope that you all will follow me there, and be blessed, guys. Bye.